XRP to hit $5,000. Huge warning to buy $100 XRP now and never sell. Ripple XRP News Today 2021. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss Ripple XRP News Today. But before we start, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. Now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple XRP is one of the world's foremost cryptos and one of the most intriguing. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other big names, it does not market itself with its decentralization. Instead, the crypto is closely associated with several banks, investment companies, and organizations worldwide. This may seem counterproductive when many traders believe that the biggest selling point of cryptocurrencies is their freedom of influence from outside companies. However, crypto experts are increasingly arguing that it could be the key to the Ripple success. At the end of 2020, the company faced an SEC lawsuit that put the Ripple future under threat. Making a Ripple price prediction has become challenging for experts and common investors. Why is Ripple going up and down? How high will Ripple go? Let's find out. Ryan Fugger was the first person who announced the idea of Ripple. It was in 2004, however the protocol's real history started only in 2012 when Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson took over the project. That time it was not even Ripple but OpenCoin. The platform is actually called RippleNet, while the crypto token is Ripple XRP. It is usually listed as XRP on exchanges. First, it was a startup project from San Francisco. The blockchain-like payment system was developed. It was created as an alternative to money transfers for the banking system, not as an opposition. Its popularity among financial institutions grew fast, and soon the company announced interest from leading banks. It was expected as the system enforced low-fee, fast transfers all around the world. Most altcoins that have entered the market are designed to solve some problem that the founders believe could ultimately limit the success of Bitcoin, the so-called king of cryptocurrency. Many, like Bitcoin Cash, have focused on Bitcoin's lack of scalability. However, Ripple focused on another feature of crypto, its decentralization. Rather than providing a way for merchants and investors to make transactions online without going through a centralized financial institution, which can be slow, potentially unsafe, and expensive, Ripple was designed to make it easier for centralized financial institutions to make payments. Cross-border payments can be even slower than domestic payments, and they come with much higher transaction costs, and companies worldwide can make hundreds of these transactions every day. To avoid skyrocketing transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates, Ripple allows companies to send and receive payments in Ripple XRP. It offers a globalized currency that bypasses some of the problems that can plague fiat currency and fully decentralized cryptos. Banks apply the protocol to make cross-border transfers in real time using the Xcurrent software solution. At the same time, Ripple XRP is also available for investors and traders. Traders can do operations with the cryptocurrency via trading on crypto exchanges or with the help of brokers. The company has had contacts at the highest political and financial levels for many years. Think of the World Bank, the ECB, the IMF, and the World Economic Forum, with rave recommendations in being priced from all sides. What could go wrong? The SEC case hasn't been solved yet, and if before it had a dramatic effect on the XRP price, now the situation is not so obvious. At the end of 2020, the XRP price fell to a local minimum of 17 cents, while the SEC case was gaining momentum. At the beginning of April 2021, the XRP value renewed its 3-year high at $1.11, while the court allowed the company to review the internal documents of the SEC. On May 4th, Ripple plunged as the SEC threatened XRP holders with legal action. The commission opposes investors joining the XRP securities recognition case. Nevertheless, the fall didn't continue for long as the company appointed a former US treasurer to its board. How should investors behave in such uncertain circumstances? Is Ripple expected to rise or fall? Look at the experts' predictions. Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts expects the average of XRP price to stay within a 82 cent to 85 cent range. The website sees an upward trend, which is a good sign for traders. Still, the rise will be limited. The maximum price will reach $1.067 in December 2021. The minimum price won't fall below 0.7039 August 2021. The XRP outlook was significantly reviewed by the website. Previously, the maximum value was expected to move above $2.20. Wallet Investor. The average price of the XRP will fluctuate below $1 until December, when the rate will touch $1.075. Although the website doesn't predict a strong uptrend, the average price stays at good levels. The highest price will already break above $1 in September. The minimum rate won't fall below $0.30. However, the difference between the low and high price signals increased volatility. Crypto Ground. The Ripple forecast of Crypto Ground can't be called promising. Still, the upward movement will prevail. By 2022, the price will reach $1.008. Coin Price Forecast. This website also projects an upward trend for the XRP USD pair. According to Coin Price Forecast, the price may reach $0.83 by the end of the year. The forecast was reviewed just recently. The platform expected SRP to skyrocket to $5. Long forecast. Before you can check the Ripple coin price prediction by the Economic Forecast Agency, the source expects a downtrend. The price of the XRP USD pair will suffer from ups and downs. At the end of the year, the price will close at $0.45. The price is consolidating in the daily chart above. Ripple's expected trading range isn't likely to break through the current limits of Bollinger Bands. The market will behave that way until the end of July, and an important price movement may not occur earlier than next month. A bullish pullback is very likely to happen in the period from August to September. The upper limit of price growth is about $1. But short-term breakouts above that limit, not exceeding a few cents though, are possible as well. There shouldn't be any surprise in the last 3 months of 2021, Ripple price will consolidate and move to the lower limit of its trading range. A trading plan based on the above scenario may look like the following. Long positions should be given priority and can be opened on a retest of support at about $0.50 on a breakout of the level of $0.75 after the end of local consolidation. In both cases, a stop loss order shall be placed beyond $0.50. In an ideal scenario, both orders should be executed and closed once the price target of $1 has been reached. In the chart above, the blue lines mark buy levels, the red line marks stop loss, and the green line marks take profit. Be aware of risks when opening such trades. Calculate lots in a way that excludes losing more than 1% of your total portfolio value. The XRP USD market continues forming the corrective trend. After the impulse upwave A finish, it started developing a complex corrective wave. There must be a large double zigzag WXY so far. The subwaves WX completed. Subwave Y has just started forming and could end as a double zigzag WXY. Let us study the chart structure in more detail in a shorter time frame. At the time of writing, the first motive wave W has completed a simple zigzag ABC. There is now forming a zigzag-shaped linking wave X, namely its final subwave C. The C wave is likely to be simple impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 4 legs of the impulse must have finished. The price is now rising in the final subwave 5. Wave 5 should end at a level of around 1.402. where wave X will be 61.8% of the W wave. So now the question you may ask is Ripple a good investment? Should I invest in Ripple? Ripple, buy or sell? Maybe these questions are still in your head. Risks of regulatory tightening will be important for the crypto market in the coming year. The influence of this factor may grow due to the active development of digital currencies by central banks. Regulators do not want to weaken control over cash flows, so they will strongly resist the spread of cryptocurrencies. The influence of this factor will be even stronger than back in 2017 to 2018. The expected development of the DeFi is another risk for Ripple. Oddly enough, the coronavirus pandemic can support the virtual market. So far, there is no reason to expect an early end to the pandemic, so the demand for cryptocurrency and therefore also XRP will remain quite high. If the dominant driving force in the market had previously been individuals, then in 2021 it is institutions. Therefore, next year we will most likely see a smooth rise in the XRP coin, even despite the recent drop in the rate due to the situation with the SEC. The events from April to June 2021 confirmed that the XRP-USD pair still has major speculative characteristics. The pair still produces volume and volatility. The XRP showed it can triple its capacity, then lose almost everything. It's a good point for aggressive traders. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then,